Hello everyone, I'm Yuankai.
I'm Duochen.
Our project is called GroupAlarm. Briefly, it's an alarm that includes friends. Users can set their own alarms and also view the status of their friends' alarms. The reason we built this app is that for people who go to school, go to work, or attend events together, they often need to leave early at the same time, so they need to check if each other is awake. However, since in most cases they do not live together, checking could be awkward and inconvenient.
Our app allows people to check if their friends are awake by just a glance, which avoids people sleeping over for most of the times. We hope our app can at least be used among our friends, so that we will never sleep over classes.
Next, we will go over the basic feature of our app. This is the login screen of our app if you first launch it. When you click this button here, you can sign in with your Google account. This is the file-based storage of our app, and you can see there pops up a new user with the default settings.
Since this is the first time we use our app, we need to set something up.
So currently, the ringtone is the default ringtone, which is stored in the file-based storage here. So if we want to change our ringtone, we can just click on this text, and it pops out a system activity, and you can just choose one and click OK. It will upload the file you choose to the file-based storage. Now it is uploaded, and we can see in the storage here there's a folder under my user ID, and my ringtone is here. You will also be able to change the vibrate or the volume of your alarm.
Now we finished the setting up, so we need to add some friends. Now Yuankai will search for me, and he will just type in my name and click on the add button, and then I will receive a friend request. It's here. So I will just click on the accept, and I will be added as his friend.
So if I go to my friend list again, we can see Duochen is already added as my friend. So next we will show our main feature, which is add an alarm. We can just click on this floating button and choose the alarm we want to set, and click OK to set the alarm to let it ring at the time we set it. We can also add other alarms, and we can also deactivate it to let it not running, and also long click to delete it. We can also click visible to let our friends to see this alarm. So now the alarm gets its time and it begins ringing. We can hear that it rings with our set ringtone. We can just swipe this to let it stop ringing.
And now I will add some alarms on my phone and set it to be visible, so that Yuankai will see my alarm.
Yeah, so we can see here the wake is the status of him, which is red. The red means that he is now sleeping, and green will mean he is awake. So we can see from the friend's alarm to see his status and the time he set, and when it rings, it will just show an icon at the ringing. So here pops out the icon.
So now my phone is ringing, as you can see here, and here there is an icon showing that my phone is ringing. So now I will swipe to stop my alarm clock, and then I need to click on the I am awake button
which is shown here.
Yeah, to change my status to be awake.
And now we can see he is now awake.
So that's all the functioning part of our app. And as for the features, the most interesting part of our app is how to make the alarm rings at the time we set, and how to cancel it. To make it ring, we use the pending intent to set a broadcast for the system, and the system will launch the ringing activity when it receives the broadcast at the designated time. We also use some flags to make it ring when the phone is locked. To cancel the alarm, we need to set some identifiers for the pending intent, so that we can find it and when we need to cancel it. And that's all about our app. Thanks for watching.